In this video, we are going to create the follow table. So click on the database, Instagram. Over here, create a new table, call it follow. Number of columns will be 5. Then click on create. Over here, the first one will be the follow ID. The follow ID will be int and also auto increment. The second one will be the sender. The type will be int and also receiver. The type will also be int. And status. So this one over here will be enum. Then over here will be 0, then 1. Then over here, the default over here will be 0. And also we have follow on. That's the time that the user followed you. So that one will be date time. And the default over here will be current timestamp. And click on save.